This is actually welding surprisingly easily. I felt a spark on my scalp though. One weird thing that always happens when you weld is bugs always get attracted to the light, but then they die because they fly right into it.
So much electricity pumping through that it's just melting the metal together.
The only reason it's working is because of this flux. That's what this white stuff is. Because this doesn't have any gas. That's the worst, when you accidentally arc out on something and just blind the shit out of yourself. With stick welding, to fill up a hole you made, you let it cool off a little bit, and then you just weld around the edge of the hole and slowly go in. You get a feel for it, man. Like, there's just this golden distance away from the metal.
You trying to say you have the golden touch or something?
Yes.
Oh.
Like, you're really not even touching it.
When we were kids, you told me that when you draw with crowns, the crown doesn't actually touch the paper.
Dude, Jimmy told me that shit.
I would try to watch the connection between the crown and the paper. It's touching every time.
How funny is that kind of thing, dude? Let me see one of those chips. Rectangles.
I think this one's thinner right here if you needed it.
Oh, fuck. I just dropped it in there.
What?
I wonder if that's a big deal.
I think I gave you the only thin one I had. That one's the same size as all the other ones I got.
What's it on right now? Yeah, that is fucking on there.